Hey guys!
Alright, we'd like to invite our cast, our stars and director to join us here. Okay, Jairus, Miko, would you like to start? Greeting everyone here inside.
Ayun, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Siyempre, maraming salamat po sa movie. And please, spread our movie, Hold Me Close. This is coming September 25 na po yan.
And then, sabi na ni Kuya Jairus lahat. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na sana mag-enjoy kayo sa film na to. And for sure, hindi kayo magsisisi once na mapanood nyo to.
Ayan, good evening, Merry Christmas, vegan, sa mga press, sa mga family na nandito po. Maraming salamat dahil binigyan nyo kami ng oras. At sana, malaganap nyo po yung ganda ng pelikula namin na ginawa ni Jason Paul. Thank you.
Good evening. We're just so excited for tonight and to be able to share what we really worked hard for back in April. Again, so many things, Derek Jason, for coming up with another beautiful story for Kaloy and I to do again. We really hope na magustuhan niyo siya, and if you do, reviews are really much appreciated. So, enjoy guys! We'll chat later after the film.
Julia, I love you!
Ang taas mo. Yung mga jeep pa din na. Sa'yo mo ngayon. Ay, hindi nagpatalo si Jack. Si Direk, baka hindi magpatalo. Direk, tayo. Ay, mas mataas.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo dito sa aming red carpet premiere na. All be close.
2 years ago, di ba, after the film, breakdown ka kasi sobrang tagal natin hindi nakagawa ng pelikula after the pandemic.
May kinakwento rin sa amin.
Pero ikwento mo sa aming lahat ko, ano.
Ayun, para sa hindi mga nakakaalam, second time namin magkatrabaho tatlo. Yung una namin, of course, yung Expensive Candy. So, it's an honor and pleasure na makatrabaho sila ulit. And sana makatrabaho sila na paulit-ulit.
Nang maraming beses.
Ayun.
Ang sweet naman ang ng team. Sulat ka na daw, Direk. O ngayon, bago magsulat si Direk, baka biglang mapasulat siya ngayon. Mag-picture muna tayo. Kayo muna ang 5. Ayan, all together. Smile. Everybody, buy 2 tickets now. Thank you, Philippine Explorer, for that. Maraming salamat po ang katayap natin dyan. This time, to our cast and director, harap naman tayo sa screen. Kasama naman silang lahat. Photo off.
Okay. Julia?
To all our friends right over here, can we stand up? Para kita tayo sa photo ng cinema. Okay, ngayon everybody, would like to request you guys to please join us in shouting, "Hold me close now, Sherry." Okay, everybody, would like to request now inside and take back your seats where you want to seat. And to our cast and director, you can already go up. And again, thank you so much. And while our stars are going up to their seats, let me say to those who be wanting for everybody to hear, the critical and commercial success of the intellectual property and all attached rights of the filmmakers have to be respected. This is a reminder to the public that making comes out of the holding close. Alright, let's congratulate the team, Henry Cloud! Let's give them a big round of applause. And now let's hear viewers from them.
Salamat po. Thank you sa inyo lahat. And noon kahit hindi Valentine's, naramdaman niyo yung pagmamahal, especially this Christmas. And thank you to Jamie Lea, thank you to Zachary. Pinagkatiwala niyo ako maging camera operator. And para sa film na to. So, yeah, thank you so much.
Thanks guys! Congratulations! Connecting! Emotional na naman si Derek. That's our team, our whole team guys! Our only team.
Ayan, pinalala natin si Aida, ang ating assistant director. Si Lars, ang production designer, yung napapatulog na ayun. Sino ba? Si Miss Charil na sa. Ayun, ang ating associate producer. Basta si Miss Charil. Ayun, si Sir. Si Sir makalimutan. Ayun po,
Ayun lang, thanks guys! Hope you enjoyed that.
Thank you! Merry Christmas!
Ayan, sige, bigyan natin sila ng time to take a photo sa inyong lima. Ayan. Those are together. Later, sa likod naman kayo harap. Alright, thank you so much for coming in, everybody. Once again, pwede po kayo manood nito. Sabay-sabay tayo manood sa first round.
Dito po.
That's December 25. And if you buy 2 tickets, you will have 1 raffle entry para sa trip to Japan. A round trip ticket with free accommodation as well. At syempre, please, give it a good review on your socials para sa mga photos and videos ninyo ngayong gabi. And syempre,
Congratulations.
selfie na rin kayo ng after watching the film. Thank you very much.
Positive ka ba ngayon, Carlo?
Meron na naman. Okay. Alam niyo na, meron na tayong mga gestures na pwede gawin with the family. Kung positive ba sila or negative. Share your thoughts and socials. Spread the word again. December 25. This is an official entry to the 2024 Metro Manila Film Festival. Written and directed by directors and products Samara, starring Nico Galit, Jairo Aquino, Carlo Aquino, and Julia Pareto. See you everybody in cinemas. Merry Christmas! Good evening!
Congrats po. Thank you, Chay.
Thank you, everyone.
Arnold Julia, picture. One, two. Here po. Thank you. Congratulations. Positive. Thank you. Ito, Arnold. How do you feel right now?
Saan ba sila?